Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you CountIf and CountIfs in MS Excel. First we will learn CountIfs. So what is the word of CountIf? For example, if I select this range, definitely if let's suppose if I want to know that how many times Naveed came. Here you can see that here we have Naveed 1, 2 and 3 times Naveed came. So definitely if I want to know that how many times Naveed came, so what will I use? I will use CountIf formula. How can I use CountIf formula? Let's see. So definitely what will I do? I will say here is equals to, as you know, in order to start any formula we have to use is equals to, then the name of the formula. So here we have count and definitely here we count if. Then what will I do? I will give this range. Definitely I will give the range. So definitely this is the range. Then comma and then I will select this cell and then enter, and as you can see they're now showing 3. Why? Because definitely I gave the range. Definitely in this range Naveed came 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Definitely is showing 3. Getting me? So in the place of Naveed it can be anything. Getting me? So this is the work of CountIf. One more thing, in the place of this cell you can also type here directly. For example, if I say here Naveed, so definitely it is giving the same answer, but definitely it won't be good. Definitely if you type here like this, so definitely you will have to open this formula over and over. Definitely, so it is good to definitely link this and this criteria with this cell. So definitely you don't need to open the formula over and over. Whatever you type, definitely it will come here. Definitely it will give the effect here. Then what do we have next? We have CountIfs. If you are not getting, don't take attention. Okay, so definitely now we are going to learn CountIfs. So is equals to and then the name of the formula. So here have the name of formula CountIfs, and then I will select this range, then comma, and then I will select this cell, then comma, and I will select this range, then comma, and I will select this cell. Okay, don't take attention. Okay, so I will say salesman, and here we have item. So for example, now I don't want to know that how many times Naveed came. Now I want to know that how many times Naveed sold shampoo and soap. For example, if I am working in any, for example, shop, and for example my boss is asking for me, Naveed, tell me that how many times Naveed sold you can say soap, and how many times Naveed sold shampoo. So definitely I will use CountIfs formula. Let's see, for example, here we have salesman, definitely in the name, and that item. So I say this soap, so I will double click on it, I will copy it, and I will paste it here, and as you can see now it's showing 2 times. Why? Because Naveed soap 1 time and Naveed soap 2 times. Getting me? So definitely this is the work of CountIfs. And as you can see that here we have CountIf. Definitely what is about CountIf? Definitely when we give the range, and definitely in the range if you want to know that how many times one thing came, so definitely we use CountIf formula. And if we talk about CountIfs, so let's suppose we have 2 range. Here we have 2. So let's suppose if I want to know that how many times Naveed sold soap, so definitely what will I use? I will use CountIfs formula. Now I'll tell you the syntax. So I will double click on it, and definitely I will should do like this, and here you can see the formula. So is equals to, as you know that in order to start any formula we have to use is equals to, then the name of the formula. Here we have CountIfs, then I selected this range, definitely salesman range, and then comma, and then salesman definitely cell, then comma, then item range, then comma, and then item cell. Means the first this salesman, then this cell, then this, and then this, and definitely then we got the answer 2. Getting me? So in this lecture what did we learn? We learned CountIf and CountIfs in MS Excel. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lectures and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.